I'm going to show you how to convert red color to a gold color, just like MrBeast will do. So let's get started. First of all, I'll select the red color. So I'll go to select menu, go to color range, and select the red. Then use the color picker to pick the red and click OK. Then I go to the layer that I drop the vibrance. Drop the vibrance to -100 saturation. Then I go to gradient map, apply this gradient map black, reverse it, click back it, then apply another one. Basically, I will just click max the two of them, the gradient and the vibrance on the image. Then I apply another gradient map. This time I want to apply the gold. I'll look for the gold. I'm going to drop the file in the description below for you to download and practice as well. I like this one, so I'm going to click on OK and click marks it. Then I drag the marks on the clip marks on the gradient. I drag it on the gradient map so that the gradient map can actually be contained. The gradient map can have its own clip marks. So I click on vibrance and drag the vibrance on the saturation to about 60, 65. You can see how the colors pop out. Okay? Then I want to give a little twist to the light, the headlight. I like this turquoise color. So I'll apply black on the marks and select a brush and apply white on it. This time around painting the headlight. Just gently change it to white and I paint it in V. That's one mistake there. Undo it and apply it gently. I'm also going to apply the same to the other headlight. Alright. Then one more twist, I'm going to create a brush, select that kind of turquoise blue, and I want to apply it on the headlight so that it can have a little glow on it. I'll click on it, I'll change it to either screen or linear dot. Let me use linear dot. Good. And I'll duplicate it and apply it on the other one. This is it. You can actually twist it the way you want it, basically. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.